morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second part video review of the Haylou RT LS05S, and we have here, okay, when we activated the smartwatch and connected to the Support app, we still have some 55% battery life here. So it seems like it has a very good standby time compared to other wearables. Okay, so this time we're going to check on the different menus of the smartwatch as well as other functions here, especially in the sports and fitness as well as health. Okay, so we have here the UI. Okay, let's see if we can change the watch face here. Okay, so we can see the bezel here. So seems like all of the graphics here are black. And anyway, this one, as you can see, we have a beautiful graphics here and with a very good refresh rate. Okay, based on the output here on our video. Okay, on top, let's see. So we have the typical settings here. Okay, on the bottom, I guess. Okay, so that's the sports or the menus. Okay, how about here? Okay, so seems like, what's this, breathing guide. Okay, and on the other side we have the direct access to the menu. So let's see. Okay, so we have here the automatic counter, steps, distance, and calories. We have the heart rate. So this one, okay, so this one is blood oxygen, I think. Okay, so we have here the sleep monitoring, the weather. Okay, very good display here, very good UI for the weather. And that's it. Okay, for the menus here, so let's see. Okay, so we have, okay, automatic activity monitoring. We have the beats per minute, blood oxygen. We have the sports, weather, sleep. Okay, message and call notifications here. Okay, we have the music settings. Okay, let's see for the more here. We have the stopwatch. We also have a countdown, find phone, and breathing guide. For the settings, what are the available setups here? We have the watch face, brightness. Okay, so let's adjust. We have the about, power off, and reset. Very good so far. It got all the basics here. Okay, so let's check the music settings. So you can use this one if you are, or if your phone is connected to the smartwatch. How about this one? What's the shortcut for this one? Okay, that's for the sports. So you can also access the sports here, but also has a shortcut button here. So press it and we have the sports function. So we have the jogging, we have the fast walking, biking. So how many sports do we have here? We have at least 12 sports. We have climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, integrated training, gymnastics, basketball, football, and rowing. Okay, let's check. For example, we have the jogging here. Okay, so we have the countdown, and let's see. So we have the beats per minute and the distance as well as the time. And maybe, of course, not maybe, but of course it will record your steps also. Okay, how about for the biking here? So you need to connect it to the Haylou fan app and to access the biking features here. So it means it uses a connected GPS. It will provide you a map trajectory of your activity. Climbing, okay, so it calculates or monitors the time, heart rate, calories, and maybe the steps. Okay, so talking about the heart rate, so let's check. Okay, so beats per minute, and let's wait. Okay, let's check. So far it has a simple animation here. Anyways, I'm impressed with the graphics here. Very good graphics and the refresh rate. Okay, so we have here the year results. So 83 bits per minute. Okay. So, and then how about the blood oxygen? Okay. So let's check. Start measuring. So let's see. Okay, hopefully we can get the results right away. Okay, let's see. So it's taking some time, much longer than the heart rate. Again, this is the Haylou RT Smartwatch LS0. Let's see, LS05S. Okay, so we have here in 99% oxygen rate. Okay, so far it has a lot of features here. So this is for the activity tracking. You have weather, sleep monitoring, message, so you can read some messages here. Okay, so forwarded from your smartphone to your device. We have anti-loss, countdown, stopwatch, breath training. We also have, what else here, reset and power off. Watch face, we have at least several preloaded watch face here. Okay, you can also access this by long press. Okay, pressing the screen on the home screen. Okay, or pressing the display on the home screen. Okay, so that's it so far. It looks okay. Okay, sporty. We have with comprehensive list of sports functions, very good or fast detection of the heart rate, and seems like we do have a very good standby time. As you can see here, it has more than 50% of battery life, even though that we bought this already almost a week ago. Okay, and the display is also good, very responsive here. Okay, okay, so far no lag, smooth access. Okay, and very good transitions of menus here. Okay, so this is your Haylou RT LS05S Smartwatch. Okay, a circular design, sporty wearable smartwatch with a metal bezel and a PC body with silicone strap. Okay, interchangeable. Okay, just the right size for your sports activity. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Watch out also for our next video, installing the Haylou Fan app in Android platform. Bye.